G'day guys, welcome back to the channel. This time we're doing a West Coast trip, so this is a 3-day weekend we have got, and me and Matt here, we are going to be going and making the most of it. So we're actually meant to have a few other trucks with us. Unfortunately they all had issues, so today it's me and Matt just solo in Lando. We're going to be heading in up the river, go find some cool wee spots to play on, and then Flynn, who you may recognise from some previous videos, he's going to be in his daily driver Zook because the other one wasn't going to be ready. We're going to be heading into one of the wee huts that we like to go into at night. So yeah, I also forgot to say there's been a few upgrades to the Disco. So we've now got this here. This is a Hunter Customs Grand Anchor. So finally got some way of getting ourselves out if we're not near a tree. I've also, don't need to show you, but we've got dual batteries. So finally got enough juice for the winch, and we've done a quick rebuild on the winch. New winch hasn't turned up yet, so yeah, it's all good. We'll get into it and yeah, probably test out the winch at some stage, because let's be honest, solo trip we're probably going to get stuck. Guys, we just came over that last mud hole you just saw on camera and popped the head over, and this is what we've got in front of us. So, we're just trying to figure out whether we drive it or try reverse out, because this is known for having some pretty nasty holes. Is there much difference between the middle and the bottom?
So there's the bottom, which is that there. There's the middle.
Yeah. Do you want to test further along? Well, we've decided, being solo and freshly rebuilt winch, not really tested under load, maybe best to go backwards. We'll see if we can go backwards without crunching the bank, because it's quite cut out. And then if that doesn't work, we'll have to go forwards and winch through. So we'll give reversing a crack. Well, out of good judgment, hopefully, decided to pass on that mud hole. Probably just not worth going and getting stuck by ourselves. If it was with other people, then 100% we'd give it a crack, but by ourselves, probably not a good call.
Unfortunately, Tim's just fallen in a wee bit of a hole climbing that bank, so it's an opportunity to test out the ground anchor.
Sweet, job done. Right guys, well that's all chopped away. We did a bit of digging as well, just because the angle of that bank was going to tip the roof line into that tree, which obviously would not be ideal. So I given Matt the keys, and we'll let him take it down. Straighten up. Yep. Success! Yeah, this is how you cross rivers. Now I just have to not fall in. Makes it hard when the truck won't idle. I think there's something wrong with the idle control stepper motor. I had a quick play with it and it sorted it for a bit, so tonight I'll pull it apart and clean it so that we don't have idling problems. Don't have idling problems tomorrow, because that's not going to make life so easy. Guys, we're back at the gate. We'll just cruise on out of here on the gravel road. So we came up from the river up there, but we'll head out that side. So it's been real good fun. Anyway, we'll get cruising out. We'll probably go look down some side tracks because we've still got quite a few hours to kill before Flynn will make it. He's got a bit of a drive ahead of him, but yeah, we'll continue on. Well, we just came across that deeper crossing over there, and just the track goes off that way behind Matt, but we spotted that. What a cool wee chasm. So what we did was me and Matt just wandered up. You can actually go quite a wee way. Obviously we're not going to drive all the way up because it gets quite deep. We wandered up, awesome wee spot, so we're going to take the truck just up to that first wee bit and take a video thumbnail, take a few photos, and yeah, it should be awesome. So we'll see if we can cruise up there now. Right guys, well, what a cracking day. We've, oh, I've left my lights on. We have just cruised back into Springs Junction. Gonna get some chips, probably, some hot food, it'll be awesome. And then, yeah, wait for Flynn. It's currently like, I think 20 past 8, but you'll wait for Flynn to turn up. He reckons he'll be here at about 10, so wait it out a couple of hours and go do more wheeling. Right guys, well, all fed up. It's good food, very yummy. Anyway, about an hour supposedly till Flynn arrives, so we shall sit in the truck and try not to be cold. No way, he's early as. Is there a winch in there?
Oh, there is a winch.
Oh, with no rope.
Oh.
So close but not quite.
Rope's on there.
Is it running?
Yeah, no.
So we'll fit the rope tonight?
Yep.
Sweet, that means tough tracks.
Yeah. We used.
Far out. Right guys, well, we figured no better time to fit the rope to Flynn's truck than now, so we're gonna do that and then we'll head into the hut that we've got lined up.
The middle of last year, so it's probably only going to be able to do this from the back.
Bit more? You're just trying to get over a couple routes at the same time.
Yep.
There we are. And he's off. Yeah. That's how you do it. Well guys, what a cracker day. It's been absolutely awesome. So good to get back out. Anyway, that's gonna probably be it for today's video. I think I'll wrap it up here tomorrow, and obviously next day we've got more wheeling, so stay tuned for that. Apologies, it's probably going to be a shorter video. I forgot to mention, I think we only started off-roading at like 2 o'clock in the afternoon, so not actually been on the tracks all that much, but yeah, we'll set up our sleeping bags and all that, and get a good night's sleep and get ready for round 2. So we'll catch you all then. Cheers for watching. See ya.